We're taking sad frozen fish and we're making it fantastic. We're gonna add some white wine, some tomatoes, some lemon, and I love to pair it with a beautiful, really, mild, crisp, roasted cauliflower because it carries the sauce really well, and that charred, caramelized part of it is so tasty, and it goes beautifully with the fish. On that note, let's dive in. Fish pun. I'm gonna put it on medium low. We don't wanna overdo things right now. We wanna keep nice and low, lovely times. Also, I have preheated my oven to 450. That is for the cauliflower that's gonna go in, but we are just gonna get our liquid going before we do anything else. First step, let's add some butter. While the shallot and the garlic are sweating out all of that flavor, we're just gonna season our cauliflower. I have pre-cut the florets into even sizes. Do you call them florets? What do we call them? I want it nice and crispy. A little salt, pepper, and just line them up. We really do not want to overcrowd the sheet pan. You're gonna know the fish is done when it is white. If you have an internal thermometer, make sure it's at least 145 degrees. You're gonna wanna remove it from the mixture and plate it. It is so delicious. Now we're gonna add a little bit of flour to make our sauce, so come with me. Before I go, I'm going to remind you, subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, Dining with Skyler. You can also get all of my recipes on withskyler.com. And I will see you soon. I'm going to eat this cauliflower.